Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you saw my 10,000 kilometer review on my BMW F750 GS last time, and I showed a little sneak preview of this bike at the end. This is my new 2022 Honda CRF300L. In no means will replace my BMW for touring on road and a little bit of adventure riding off-road with that bike. But I just felt that this bike is more attuned to what I want to do for trail riding, and it also costs a lot less to repair when damage happens. As you can see right off the bat, I've installed Renthal RC high bars and a Service hand guards, along with PowerMad folding mirrors into the hand guards. I also bought some aftermarket Amazon 3-finger, 2-finger clutch and brake levers. You could see that I also updated the bags to all Nelson rigs, fender bag, tail bag, and fuel bottle bag. I find that it's a lot of good quality in that bag, and it holds a lot of stuff as it expands. I would love to give a great shout out to Woodsman Adventures channel and Motorcycles Off-Road channel for a lot of their updates and recommendations that I used to upgrade this bike to, and thank them for all the effort they went through to putting out their videos as well. They're very, very good. So according to what I got off of Motorcycles Off-Road channel, I did upgrade the stock IRC tires to the Motoz Tractionator RallZ tire. I did install my 45 tooth rear sprocket as opposed to the 40 tooth rear sprocket, and I did put an X-ring chain on to help gain a fraction of a bit of horsepower. I want to thank AXP Racing as well for supplying the skid plate bash guard underneath, heavy duty plastic, along with the linkage guard as an option underneath here as well. And the tail rack is all of a heavy duty PVC as well. Super solid, many places to attach your bags to, and what I really like is these hand guards here on the side to help you pick your bike up when it falls down. I bought some frame guards off of Amazon as well, inexpensive and does the trick. I used 3M tape and some of the tie wraps that are forward supplied with it to hold it on. I have upgraded the ECM as well to the 550 Performance flash. I kept the basic flash. I haven't decided yet if I will upgrade to 91 octane with a muffler yet, but I can always send back the ECU and have that reprogrammed as well. So this bike meets all my needs currently, except for, as many people have mentioned on this bike, the suspension is like a pogo stick. So down the road, I believe I will probably put on the Raid Rally suspension they're offering out of England, and hopefully that does its trick. So this is it, my latest bike in my stable, although I only have two, but still. I think this is doing a great job for me, and I hope you guys tune in for further videos on some off-rail trail videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.